It's time to navigate some new nuts in this walnut blast machine. We got another out-of-state nut blast action here. This guy drove all the way from Missouri for these nuts. That was a little too much. Look at that, it was actually the perfect amount. Just a nut expert. In all seriousness though, we have a Lincoln Navigator here for a intake valve cleaning. We got quite the setup going on over here. We got the intake off already. These ones on the back are not too fun to get to at all. Definitely a crazy reach around. Show you what these ones look like. You see how bad that stem is right there on that one. A big chunk of lingus on it. And then I did these two up front already. You can see how purty those look. So we're just finishing up a couple spots here. Now obviously this carbon, what?
Dude, look at that car with 420K, that Lexus.
Yeah.
He just approved everything. Radiator, condenser, axles, everything.
Really? Are you gonna do it?
No.
Why not?
I was doing Jim's stepdaughter's oil change.
Now, usually you're gonna see this carbon buildup on just GDI motors with high pressure fuel pumps, cam driven, high pressure injectors down in here. So you have your fuel injected straight into the cylinder versus onto the intake valve, like port injection, cleaning the intake valves. Most people don't even know that they need this service. Unless it's really bad, then it might set the check engine light for misfires because the valve sticks, or you're just not getting enough air into the engine, or both. Usually what this will cause is obviously misfires, rough startups, low power. Literally every time I do this service, customer will call back and say, oh my god, my car has so much more power now. Well, yeah, because it can breathe now. When are you gonna make your BMW reveal video?
I didn't even think about that.
They might see it here first. Better hurry up.
Facts.
Not saying that you need this service. I mean, there is ways to maintain it. If you have a brand new car and it's a GDI motor, I recommend just going to a shop, getting an intake cleaning done. They mist a chemical into the intake and it cleans the valves. That's definitely a way to maintain it so you don't have to do this more invasive walnut cleaning. But if you have a GDI with a bunch of miles and you've never had an intake cleaning done, then chances are you're probably gonna need it, so bring it on over. I'll blast it up real nice. The tricky part about this though is there can be other underlying issues, like on a lot of Volkswagens that have very excessive intake valve carbon buildup. They usually have too much blow by from the piston ring, so all that oil